What is cast iron? I have already mentioned what is cast iron, but here's the detail about the cast iron. So cast iron is another iron carbon alloy with the carbon content greater than 2%. Okay, obviously steel less than 2% incorporation of carbon into the iron is known as steel, and more than 2% is known as cast iron. It is brittle compared to the steel. Okay, but is widely used for its excellent castability, machinability, and wear resistance. So castability means we can easily mold and then mold it, and then we can reshape. Okay, whatever the kind of things. I mean, obvious the raw material that we are having, that is not going to be used directly, so we must have to give them a shape so that we can use as a parts of our any components. Okay, so for that we need to do the measurability, either measurability or either we can directly cast. So casting means we can just mold the material, and then the shape that we required, that we make the pattern, and in that pattern that we just more give uh, pour the molten metal to cool down, right, so that it will take the shape of that particular patterns. Okay, so this is a very easy way, but their properties get compromised in castings. So we have another option, which is measurability, so that what we do, we make or we create a rough diagram or rough shape of that component, and then we do the machining process over that. Okay, like the lathing, shaping. Okay, these all are the machine. Okay, so we do the we do machinability over that particular component so that we can make a precise parts of that component so that it could be used in our machines. Okay, and wear assistance, obviously when they are going to use, there must be so hard as much so that it cannot wear the material. Okay, while it is in use. Okay,